Guys, here's our different cookie. It's a chocolate chip with zucchini cookie. Look at that. Look at the chocolate chips right there. It's only from Super Bounty Kitchen. We're gonna spread it all over here with our cookie sheet. And we'll bake it. And we'll bake it for roughly 12 minutes. And we're gonna put some cinnamon sugar in here, so that she's more vibrant and glittery. Look. I love cinnamon sugar, especially in cookie. It's so good. This is actually crunchy and soft insides. Might as well put all those very lovely taste. So we added cinnamon sugar on the top. She's gonna be ready for baking. Chocolate zucchini cinnamon cookie. Look. She's still very hot. Very, very hot. I'm just showing you everything until we let it sit for a few minutes, like 10 minutes, and we'll serve it. That, guys. Look at the zucchini and the cinnamon. The chocolate chips in it. Oh my god. Kids will love this. The good thing with this cookie, it's with vegetables, so it's very healthy. At least you add some vitamin C there and some fiber, which is from the zucchini itself. Wonderful.